I couldn't find a single detail about today's dish except that it's famous in restaurants. I'm talking about pepper chicken. This is a popular appetizer. It's chicken that's cooked to perfection in a black pepper sauce, flavored with curry leaves, onions, and of course lots of black pepper. It's a dish that will keep you coming back for more. Horns up and welcome to Meet India, my series where I showcase the best meat and seafood dishes from the different states of India. And today we're going to the state of Andhra Pradesh, and the dish we're making is an Andhra style black pepper chicken. Now this is a popular appetizer dish in restaurants, but nobody really knows how it was invented. All I know is that Andhra Pradesh grows a lot of pepper and they love spicy food, so obviously this dish evolved over time. Anyway, if you have any information, let me know in the comments below. But till then, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. For this recipe, I will be using a full chicken bone-in and skinless curry cut style. I season that with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and the juice of half a lime. And then I give that all a good mix and just let it marinate for 15 minutes. I get my kadai on the stove and heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. To that I add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, and then in goes 1 chopped onion, some de-seeded green chilies, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and a handful of curry leaves. And now I just saute that for a few minutes. I want to cook the onions till they turn translucent and start to brown around the edges. Once that happens, I add in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, teaspoons of coriander powder, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. And then give it all a good mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes before adding in the marinated chicken. And now you just want to saute that chicken and get a little color on it as well. Add a bit of coriander and then some water, and now I will cover and cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes. I take the lid off and now I'm just going to cook this on a high heat till the liquid is reduced down into a thick gravy. We want it to not really be like a curry and very liquidy, but you can also cook it like that if you prefer. Once it has cooked down to a nice thick consistency and is coating all the chicken, I finish it with some fresh coriander and curry leaves. And I give it one final good mix, and our Andhra style black pepper chicken is done and ready. And it looks and smells amazing. After plating up, I finish with a little coriander and fresh black pepper. And that is one good looking chicken. It's taking all my willpower to not bite into it. Anyway, I got to show you the front camera footage and look at that sexy leg of chicken. And of course, I've got to taste it, and it's cooked beautifully. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste the Andhra style pepper chicken, and look who's back in the kitchen to join me. It's my father, Mickey Makhija.
That's the best part of my week, when I come to taste food at his house.
Excellent. So,
Andhra chicken. What little I know of Andhra, they're spice guys. Now, this guy is whoosh.
Yes, I'm a spice wuss. So,
but let's see.
Yeah, so I have obviously, tempered it to my palate. But let's dig in.
Honestly, amazing flavors. That curry patta is something I could take to bed with me.
I don't think mom should hear that.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, but it's beautifully spiced. You get that hit of pepper. You can actually taste everything without burning your face off. So, I really like this. And of course, if you like to burn your face off, remember, keep the seeds in the chili, add more pepper, throw in some garam masala at the end also. Make this dish your own, however you like it.
But this has what you call pepper spice, which doesn't hit your tongue as much as it hits your throat. But this is absolutely perfect. It's smooth, it's tasty, and you can taste chicken. Wow, lovely.
So does this get the horns up from you?
It does, it does. Whatever, that's the chicken leg up.
Anyway, my father has given this the horns up. I hope you guys are going to make this dish at home because it's so easy to make. And I guess I'll see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep eating. Oh no, cheers and keep cooking. Different channels.
I keep eating.
Anyway, cheers and keep cooking, and he will keep eating. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. As I mentioned in the start, if you have any information on the origins of black pepper chicken, let me know in the comments below. And a big thank you to everyone who supports me on Patreon and here on the YouTube channel memberships. You are all awesome. Thank you.